All right. So for this warm up, you're gonna be putting medium mode in. I'm gonna put some numbers on the board and let you guys work through that. Okay. So mean, median, mode, and range. Let's do 8, 15, 16, 9, 4.
Is there a way you can do it with shapes?
8, and 7. No. So there's your numbers. I would like you to fill in the mean, median, mode, and range. You have notes from last week. If you forgot what those are, open them up. Use them to find the mean, median, mode, and range, please. I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes on this.
Do I have an assignment?
Yeah, we will after this. So work on this first. Kind of, but not really.
Oh, what did I do?
Okay, so go ahead and be working on these. Mean, median, mode, and range.
What were you just doing it? You got it too common. Nope, he's dying slowly but surely. Miss Jones, don't we have to post two of the 8? Both of the 8?
Mm-hmm. Yep, when you listed the shape of it.
I'm done. Ooh, I want to change my name like Phil from Random River. How do you change it, Miss Jones?
I don't know. I don't think it's intentional. Okay, about 3 more minutes?
I got 63. I don't even know if that's right. That's actually, you're actually pretty cool. Oh. It's 64.
I don't know what it is.
I don't either.
You did that before.
I just
No, it's the number 4. There's a 4 in the list.
Oh my god.
It's an odd 4.
I love what I have got.
Well, add 4 to your final answer.
So 63 plus 1.
I think so, yeah. Yeah.
I got 67 now.
Okay. Okay.
What do I even know if that's right?
Couple more minutes to work on this warm up.
What is it? Not enough long enough to make sense. This? No, but the thing that's long enough. That's actually a good way to do it. Well, when you do it like this, you go. No, what? Let's do it like that first. See, you can't even see it.
Okay, we have 1 more minute and then we will review this. So make sure you're trying to get it done in that time.
I did my work.
But you added the 9 at the bottom.
Oh, I did not do my.
Sorry, but
Okay. It's real. I'll answer it. One time a girl answered the phone last year in the office. It's real. No, it's not. Everyone's like that. Okay. Just for outside info, so one time. Okay, that's it. So what are we going on a fifth grade trip again?
I have no idea. I'm not the one you have to ask that. I don't determine it. Okay, let's go ahead and go over this. So we have the mean, median, and range. To find the mean, stop sucking on the thing.
Okay.
To find the mean, what do I need to do?
You need to add them all up.
Add them all up. So let's start with 8 plus 15. What is that? 23. Okay, then we need to add 16. 23 plus 16.
23, 16.
39 plus 9
48.
is 48 plus 4.
52.
52
60.
plus 8 is 60 plus 7 is 67. So my answer is 67 for the mean?
No.
No, why is it not 67? We still have to divide. 67.
Oh, I did it wrong.
What do I need to divide by? 67?
7, you need to divide by 7.
Divide by 7 because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So you have to divide by the number of numbers you added together.
I don't think it can go into.
It doesn't go in evenly, so we're going to have a decimal here. Does 7 go into 6?
No.
No, but 67 it will.
Yeah.
How many times?
8.
Not 8, one more than that.
9.
9 times.
I was thinking.
What is 9 times 7?
63.
63. We subtract and get 4. But we're not done. Remember, there's one. We can keep going on this. What do I do?
You have to put a decimal over.
Good. We can add a decimal and a 0. If I add a decimal, what do I have to do with it?
Bring it down here straight up.
Bring it straight up. And the 0 gets brought down, right? Does 7 go into 40? How many times? Not 6.
5.
5 times. What is 5 times 7? 35. What's 40 minus 35?
5.
5. And let's add another 0 and drop it down. Does 7 go into 50?
Yes.
Yep.
7 times.
7 times. What is 7 times 7?
49.
49. We subtract and get 1. Let's go one more place value.
Can we do that?
You can go out as many as you want. So we're going to go out one more.
It only does.
Does 7 go into 10?
Yeah.
1 time.
That's a lot.
And you get a 7, 3. It's just going to kind of keep going and going and going. So we're going to stop there.
Won't get any answer.
Well, we have an answer. Just the decimal is going to keep going and going. So we're going to stop there. We have the number 9.571. But I want to round it to the hundredths place. What do I do? How do I do that?
9.57.
How do you get 9.57?
You have to take the number 1 and whichever, if it's higher than 4, and you don't round it. If you're lower than 4, then you don't round it. If it's higher than 5, then
Okay. So we're going to round it to the hundredths place value, the 7. We need to figure out if the number after it is 0 to 4 or 5 to 9.
it'd be 7 to 4.
Huh?
Wait, what?
No, it's a 1, right?
Yeah.
So anywhere from 0 to 4 means that you're going to keep this number the same. So this just stays as 9.57. So our mean is 9 and 57 hundredths when we do all of that division. Okay. This is why we did that practice division all last week.
I still don't
Okay.
know how to do division. Is today a graded assignment?
No, just practice today. So now let's find the median. When we look for the median, what are we doing?
You have to find it on the least to greatest and put it least to greatest.
Okay, we gotta find the number directly in the middle, but it has to be least to greatest first. So let's write it order from least to greatest. What's my smallest?
4.
4, then
16.
7,
8.
8.
9.
Oh, we forgot one. Good, there's 2 8s, and then 9,
And then 15.
15, and then 16.
Data erased.
Okay. So we have our numbers in order from least to greatest. What do I do to find the middle number? How do I find the middle?
Well,
Cross them out. Cross them out. So start on the ends. Cross them out. So the 16 and the 4 go away. Then we move one step in, and the 7 and the 15 go away. Then we move another step, and the 8 and the 9 go away. What's directly in the middle? 8. Our median is 8. It's directly in the middle of our data set. Then, to find the mode, what's another word for mode?
most.
Most.
Most numbers.
Mode is the most. So what number happens the most? 8.
If you don't, can it be more too?
You can think of it that way. Yeah.
It's just going forever.
Yeah, there's decimal
Follow
probably.
pattern.
That's okay. You can just let it go.
Let it go. 5, 7, 1, 2, 8.
Then it repeats that again. Yeah. That happens. So, the mode is the number that happens the most. We see 8 the most. It's our mode. Now the range. How do I find the range? Good. Take your biggest number, 16, and then subtract your smallest number, 4. What is 16 minus 4? I gotta finish the question.
16 minus 4 is 8.
No, it's not.
12.
It's 12.
Well, yeah, Mom.
Yeah. 16 minus 4 is 12. So, there's a practice for mean, median, mode, and range, so that when you work on your assignment today, you have this fresh in your brain. I'm pretty sure it's been posted, so let's go ahead and look over at Google Classroom and check. Good. So over on Google Classroom, there should be a new assignment posted for math. It's called Mean, Median, Mode, and Range Matching. It is, I think, one Google slide.
Maybe just put Google Slide.
Well, I think it's 2 because one is instructions, the other one is the assignment.
Okay.
So the directions, it's matching, basically. So each green piece will match with a blue piece that has the same answer. For example, if you have the expression where both answers are 4, you put them together. 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4. They match together. So you're going to solve the problem and type the answer in the box and then match them together.
Wait,
Okay.
so whichever one has the same answer, you put them together?
Yeah.
Okay. That's what you do.
So we're going to do, let's do 2 of them together.
We need to find the mean or whatever it is.
I'm going to zoom in quite a bit. So I am going to do number 1 and number 2 with you. That's what we're going to do. How does that sound?
Okay.
Okay, so number 1, you know what's fun about this? You have to do all of them so you can match them. They don't give you the answers on any of them. You got to do a lot of problems here. So number 1 says to find the mean of those numbers. I'm going to get it written up behind me. And then we'll do it together. So our numbers are 18, 24.
My mom said this is still number 1.
Okay, well, we're going to do it together, so don't yell it out.
Okay.
11, 32, and 25. So for this problem, we need to find the mean for number 1 here. I'm going to stop sharing my screen and put it on the whiteboard behind me.
I'm just finding all the answers first, and then I'm going to answer.
That's my suggestion for sure, too. So number 1 says that we need to find the mean of these numbers. How do I find the mean? What am I supposed to do with these? Add them all up. So let's start with 18 plus 24. What's 8 plus 4? Table. 8 plus 4? 12. Carry your 1. 1 plus 2? 4. So we've used both of those. Now we got plus 11. 42 plus 11.
53.
53. Then we got plus 32. 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 plus 3 is 8. And then we got to add 25. What is 5 plus 5? 10, carry 1. 1 plus 8 plus 2? 11. So we got 110. Is that my answer?
No.
No, this is not the mean. What do I have to do still?
Divide it.
Divide it by?
So,
Not 2. What do we divide by?
5.
5. The number of numbers we added together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. We have to divide by 5. So does 5 go into 1?
No.
Nope. What about into 11?
Yeah.
Yeah, how many times?
2.
Twice. Subtract your 10 and you get 1. Drop down your other 0. Does 5 go into 10?
Yeah.
How many times?
20.
Twice. 20. Twice. So our mean is
22.
22.
They're mean.
So on your matching thingamajigger,
In my daughter.
so on the matching for number 1 when you're there, there we go. You need to write that the answer is 22.
Which one?
The number 1.
The first one?
Number 1.
Wait, what?
It literally says number 1 on it.
This one?
Yes, number 1.
And which one to 22?
Yes. I don't feel like that was a very hard one, did you?
It was.
Okay. Now, the thing is, you're not going to be able to match these until you find the answer to all of these. So the good news is you're not finding the mean, median, mode, and range of every single one. You just need to find the one that it asks you for. So number 2 asks you for the range. What is your biggest number in that data set? For number 2. 37 is the biggest. And you're going to subtract the smallest. What's the smallest? 3. What is 37 minus 3? 34. Your answer is 34 for number 2. So your first step is to go and find all of the answers for these. Then you can start matching them across.
Wait, do we have to show us the whole problem in it?
No, I was just showing it for that one. Then you have to match it across the, across. So let's say A matches with 1, you would move it over and match it up. It probably doesn't match, so don't do that. But you need to find all of your answers and then you can do your matching. It's kind of a lot of problems, it looks like, but you're not doing all 4 things for all of the problems. Make sure you read which one it's asking for and only do that one part of the problem. Is there any questions about what you guys need to do?
Nope.
All right, so your goal is to work on this for the rest of class. If you get it finished up, you can get it turned in. But take your time. Make sure you're doing the correct one. If you have any questions, we are here to help. Yep.
I just remembered the order that